Ngayon mga ka-electronics, gagawa tayo ng Bluetooth audio o Bluetooth speaker. Ang sira dito ay ayaw niyang tumunog. So, papalitan natin ngayon ng amplifier. Kasi buo yung speaker nito. Pero yung amplifier ayaw nang magbigay ng output speaker. Ayan mga ka-electronics. Bubuksan na natin.
Play by T.S. Carr.
Tonight we are very, very fortunate, and the fact that there's not one seat left in the House speaks to the fact that you all are aware that we're fortunate to have Dr. Ibn Alexander with us here. to share with us some of his experience, which is very important because he's not just sharing ideas on an actual experience that has influenced him and has gone on to influence criminals throughout the world. As we all know, Dr. Alexander had an experience, near-death experience, an out-of-body experience during which he was able to perceive certain things about the nature of the afterlife and his relationship to this world now. It's quite interesting. He wrote a book about that. This book is something that has touched a nerve in people, not just in the United States, but around the world. The very first week that the book came onto the bookshelf, it went to the #1 best-selling book, New York Times bestseller, and has remained there consistently ever since. This is 2012 we're talking about. So it's something that speaks to an awful lot of people. It is now translated into 43 different languages. So just in case you thought that this is an American phenomenon of awakening, it is not. So rather than talk anymore about those sorts of things, I think it would be best for me to turn it over to the man himself, and he can do a much better job. So please be welcome, Dr. Evan Alexander.
Thank you all. It's a real joy to be here tonight. This part of the country, I've been to several times to give talks on my experience, and I always find that there's a very open world here in the Chicago area and Minneapolis and other places in this region. And it's very heartwarming to me how awake this part of the world really is. It's a beautiful gift to be here. I think what I'll be getting into tonight, the good news is we have some real time. Some people try and compactify my talks into an hour or so, but tonight we have a little more time than that, which is really good. And then we're hoping to have about a half hour or so for some question and answers, because as you can imagine, I don't usually come up with all the answers in my talk.
Play by TS Card.
Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paligid. Ako ngayon'y nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na. Sa ilalim ng buti